Good morning, students of class 9B. You are welcome back in geography video class. Today we are going to start one new chapter, that is atmospheric pressure. As per the reduced syllabus, in this chapter the first topic is meaning and factors that affect atmospheric pressure. Meaning, the earth has the gravitational power. Due to gravitational power, the several layers of air are attracted towards the earth's surface. So the air has weight, and this air exerts pressure on the earth's surface. This pressure is known as air pressure, atmospheric pressure on the earth's surface. I repeat this. Earth has the gravitational power. Due to this gravitational power, the several layers of air are attracted towards the earth, so the air has weight. This air exerts pressure on the earth's surface. That pressure is known as atmospheric pressure. This was the meaning of atmospheric pressure. Now let us see the factors affecting atmospheric pressure. Those are 4: temperature, altitude, humidity, and rotation of the earth. Temperature. If the temperature increases, then air pressure decreases, and vice versa. Means just opposite. If the temperature decreases, then air pressure increases. Regarding altitude, altitude means height. As height increases, air pressure decreases. So at the height there is a lack of air, lack of oxygen. Humidity. Humid air has less air pressure, but dry air has high air pressure. Similarly, rotation of the earth also affects air pressure. Due to rotation of the earth, the air pressure decreases nearby the equator and it increases on the poles. So these were the 5 factors those affect the atmospheric pressure. Our next topic of this chapter that is given in our syllabus is major pressure belt of the world. There are 4 major pressure belts of the world. Those are equatorial low pressure belt, subtropical high pressure belt in both the hemispheres, subpolar low pressure belt in both the hemispheres, polar high pressure belts in both the hemispheres. So first of all, question number 1 is equatorial low pressure belt. The extension of equatorial low pressure belt lies between 5 degree north to 5 degree north and 5 degree south latitudes on the globe. This extension is 5 degree north to 5 degree south latitudes in both the hemispheres. Second, in this extension of equatorial low pressure belt, there is shifting of low pressure. There is shifting of low pressure means in summer season, this low pressure is found in northern hemisphere, and in winter season, this low pressure is found in southern hemisphere. I am telling about summer season and winter season regarding the northern hemisphere. When there is a summer season in northern hemisphere, that time there is a low pressure belt in northern hemisphere. And when there is a summer season in southern hemisphere, that time low pressure belt in southern hemisphere. Now in winter season, suppose there is winter season in northern hemisphere, that time there will be high air pressure. And if there is a winter season in southern hemisphere, then there will be high air pressure in southern hemisphere. Third is, in this extension 5 degree north to 5 degree south latitudes, there is no movement of air. This is called calm zone. Very calm, very peaceful, because there is no movement of wind. Due to this reason, this is called doldrums. This extension 5 degree north to 5 degree south is also called doldrums due to its nature, that is the calm zone, because there is no movement of winds. And in this extension 5 degree north to 5 degree south, there is a convergence of northeast and southeast trade winds. So there are four features of equatorial low pressure belt. Its extension lies between 5 degree north to 5 degree south. In this extension, air pressure shifted according to the season. If there is a summer season in northern hemisphere, then there will be low pressure, and if there is a winter season in northern hemisphere, then there will be high pressure, and vice versa regarding the southern hemisphere. Third, this very calm zone, there is no movement of wind, so it is also named as doldrums. And in this extension, from 5 degree north to 5 degree south, there is a convergence of northeast and southeast trade winds. Next type of pressure belt of the world is subtropical high pressure belt. Its extension is between 25 to 35 degree in northern hemisphere, 25 to 35 degree latitude in northern hemisphere, and 25 to 35 degree latitude in southern hemisphere. Between this subtropical high pressure belt is found. Let us see the mechanism of high pressure belt. You know, in equatorial region where the sun rays fall vertically, the air warms up. Being lighter, it rises up. And after that again, being cool in the upper layer of the air, it starts sinking down. It starts coming down. Now this cold air is sinking down, cold air is coming down from the upper layer of the atmosphere. So as it will occupy this region, this belt in both the hemisphere, that is 25 degree to 35 degree in northern hemisphere and 25 degree to 35 degree in the southern hemisphere. As this cold wind will sink in this region, then air pressure will be high. This is the cause that high air pressure is found in subtropical region. And temperature remains high throughout the year. Therefore, almost deserts of the world are found in this region, in this belt of both the hemisphere. There is a slow movement of air, and due to high air pressure, this region, this pressure belt is also named as horse latitude. So there are 5 features of subtropical high pressure belt. First is extension, that is 25 degree to 35 degree in northern hemisphere as well as in southern hemisphere. Second, mechanism you saw, as the sun rays fall vertically in the equatorial region, that is the low air pressure. Being hot, the air rises up, and after passing through several layers of air in the atmosphere, again it becomes cool, and being cool, it starts sinking down, it starts coming down, and it comes in 25 degree to 35 degree in northern hemisphere as well as in southern hemisphere. Since cold wind has high air pressure, therefore this high air pressure is found in subtropical region, that is named as subtropical high pressure belt. Almost temperature remains high throughout the year, and almost deserts of the world are found in this region. Since there is a slow movement of wind, and due to the nature of sinking down of the cold wind in this region is also named as horse latitude. Thank you for watching the video. Remain regular with my videos. Thank you. Best of luck.